Moetapele wa EFF Julius Malema o ikanne gore mokgahlo wa gabo o tla tšea taolo ya meago yeo e thupilwego ka toropong kgolo ya Johannesburg. Malema o re se se tla fiwa sedi e kgolo ge mokgahlo wa gabo o ka thopa dikgetho tšeo di tlago tša dipuso selegae. A sa beele thoko kgonagalo ya puso ya mohlakanelwa, Malema o re go tšea taolo ya meago yeo go tla direga le ge go kaba le matšhošetši a dikgetho tša semolao. O boletše pijana le lefapha la Ditaba la SABC.
As you enter Hyde Park, the opposite of your competitor stations, there are buildings there that you can see. These buildings, we can take them and convert them into affordable housing, including low-income housing and mixed residential areas. I hate this thing that these people are saying. There must always be, and that's what should be the policy of South Africa, integrated human settlement. There shouldn't be settlement for the poor and settlement for the rich, because you know what it means when it says settlement for the poor. It means black, and settlement for the rich, it means white. Then we are perpetuating the special development program of apartheid, which is of dividing our people on the basis of color. But now you're not using the color. You use money to continue the same thing of color division. So we will take buildings in Sandton, convert them into affordable housing, into low-income housing, into free housing for our people.